Hi, it's Ben and welcome to the Safe Drive Solutions vlog. Today we're going to talk about what are dashcam channels. How many dashcam channels should I get? What is the difference between a 1, 2, and 3 channel? What industries use a 1, 2, and 3 channel? It all comes down to your lifestyle. Let's answer some of these questions. So let's talk about one-channel dashcams. Why get a one-channel dashcam? Typically these are popular with do-it-yourself installs and the trucking industry. The main purpose is to capture video evidence from the driver's point of view. If you get into a front-end collision, someone cuts you off, or maybe you witness an incident. If that is your main worry, a front-channel dash camera is right for you. For example, you're driving on a highway, another car cuts you off aggressively, causing an accident. You now have footage that can prove your innocence. It will show that the car cut you off and did not give you enough time to stop. It also gives your insurance company video evidence. Right? On the other hand, if an accident happens that is the driver's fault, it now helps settle outside of court a lot speedier, and so everyone can move on with their life. The trucking industry uses this a lot to make sure to have a front channel dash camera. Just because, a lot of times truckers do get cut off and it takes a lot longer for them to stop. So this gives them video evidence and it helps protect their trucking companies to prove that somebody else did cut them off. They knew they wouldn't end up having enough time to stop. Very great solution for that industry. Hi, today we're going to talk about 2-channel dash cameras. Basically, the most popular setup overall is the 2-channel dash camera. Available in 2 different configurations. One, the Uber Lyft taxi package, where one camera monitors out the front window. The other one monitors the interior of the vehicle. Typically with infrared, that way it can monitor what's going on in the heat signatures even late at night while dark. The other common configuration is front and rear. So one mounts on the front windshield, monitoring the front. The second one mounts on the rear hatch, rear window, and monitors out the back of your vehicle. Right? So why would anyone get a dash cam for driving Uber, Lyft, or taxi? The real answer is, why would you not? Life of a taxi driver involves lots of driving. Whether it be in food delivery or getting someone from point A to point B, you are behind the wheel driving. Accidents can happen in a split second, and recalling all those details can be a challenge. If you're driving clients while dark out, most cameras will not pick up any footage of the interior, which in turn completely defeats the purpose of having a dash camera. During your drive, the camera will pick up heat signatures of people in your vehicle, so if any funny business happens, you will catch it on camera. The front and rear configuration, the most popular, has become the most used. In a 2-channel package, you receive front and rear facing camera. Install it with a parking mode cable, allows you to record incidents while parked. These dash cameras require some more effort, as there is a cord connecting the front camera with the back. Nevertheless, dual cams allow to record a fuller image in case you are hit from behind or get suspicious tailgaters. Imagine backing into your parking stall and another car speeds by and hits you. Your 50-50 collision may lean in your favor if they were driving recklessly. Or maybe while you were inside buying groceries, another car backed into you. Your rear camera catches the whole incident on video. That is what makes this the most popular setup. Today we're going to talk about 3-channel dash cameras. There are many reasons why people strive for perfection. Not only does this cater to the Uber driver, but it also caters to the trucking industry. You get the best of both worlds in one package. 3-channel units have a front-facing, interior infrared, and rear-facing camera. Or for the trucking industry, they have a front-facing camera and 2 exterior-grade cameras that will actually mount on the side view mirrors to monitor the side of the truck. What more could you ask for? Just think, Your kid gets their driver's license, you give them the keys and tell them to have fun and drive safe. The next day, you feel that maybe you want to check up on their driving behaviors. Upon watching the video, you find that your teenager was playing with the phone while driving. Or maybe they were racing their friends. Better yet, they drove perfectly and nothing to worry about. Either way, you now have advantage to use this as an education tool. Or if you're in the trucking industry, you can use this to monitor what's going on the side of your vehicle. If somebody cut you off, or is blocking you from changing lanes, or you have any challenges like that going on, you can utilize it for your benefit. It's very important. So we have quite a few different configurations, but we do recommend getting in touch with us to find out more.